What's going on? What's going on, D2G? Playing spintires again. Well, not again. I mean, I didn't upload that other video because it was just quite crap. So I'm doing a better video today. So yeah, it's really loud. Alright, so I'm gonna go get the car out that I got stuck with, and maybe I might get stuck here. Just in case, I'm gonna grab the winch. Nope, no place to winch off. Okay. Now I'm probably gonna lose my momentum. Yep, and I'm gonna slightly dig in. So I need to get up onto this ground up here. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Come on, come on. There's gotta be something I gotta winch onto. Did I just open my hood? Damn, son. Close that hood. Alright. I need to, like... Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Let's go! Yes, I'm up. Alright, I'm right. Handbrake on. Back. Now, let's go here. Get them back winches. Am I on his car? I think I'm on the car. Yeah, I should be. Alright. Right. Let's go back and pull him out. Oh crap, left the hood open. Oh, because that's why I have the handbrake on. Wow, I'm silly. I think I flipped the car. Yep. Alright, now I need to flip it. Yeah, I flipped it. Alright. I need to pick another spot to winch off. No, not the hood. Let's go. Alright. Got some water challenge. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. I'm not really excited. So, I'm very silent here because, like, I'm kind of concentrating to not tip this car over and the other car at the same time. I need to stay in I need to stay in, like, one track. I can't keep on moving like this. I need to stay in one, like, rut, I should say. Um, and then, like, yeah, just keep the momentum in third low. And plus, you're probably wondering why I'm talking so loud, because the audio is so loud in my my Logitech headsets. Yeah, but I'll quiet down now. I'm gonna go test it through this water here as well. Dig it in. Take it easy. She's digging her nose in. Alright, and let's go. Just going straight through. Look at that. Oh, come on. Hug this edge. Alright. It's pretty rough here. Alright, well, got the two cars up. Oh, alright. And bam. Turn the Jeep. So yeah. I think the Jeep does pretty well. Not like the other one, because the other one has so much weight on it. I just like having the bike on it, but the bike plus there's weight to it, so I don't know, that's how it happens in real full drive, so I'm just adjusting. So yeah. Um yeah. Alright. Now let's go give the type, whatever that vehicle is, the type. The type C, I think it is. Yeah, the type C. Alright. Go a bit forward. Just so we can put something on. Alright. Let's go. Yep. Oh, sliding. I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go up this way because it's easier for me. Not really, but if the car wasn't there, because I got the trailer there, and not the trailer, like the whatever this thing is called. I think it's like the fuel thing. So I've got to be careful. I don't damage it, because then I'll be screwed. Um. So yeah. Come on, let's cross the river. And we're over. Yay. Alright, that's good. Um, uh, Alright, just continue. I was just taking a screenshot for my thumbnail, or I might even have a cooler one, guys. Like a cool spin tire thumbnail. We'll go a little bit more, and then I will end this video. Alright, now I think I know where we're going. Big ruts through here. But we'll get through it. How's the back going? I can't get that angle anymore. Alright, well I'm not gonna go waste time. I'm gonna go around this way. So yeah. There's just so much weight in this truck. Let's go back to normal view. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Now that I've turned all-wheel drive on, it's picked up its speed. Just gotta be sure that I don't break anything on the truck. I'm gonna refuel. Oh, okay, wait. I need to find a... Wait, where are we? We are here and the fuel's over here. Alright, let's try and make it to the fuel. Actually, nah. I'll go later. So, just getting out of this mud. Alright, come on. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed part 1 here. And I'll see you in the next one, DO2s.